first started my lash business and I was looking to get clients in the door, I found that having a website was super important to helping me build clientele. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm a lash artist. I don't know how to code or build websites. Yes, you do. It's actually a lot easier than you think. I started my website on GoDaddy. It was super simple. They have step-by-step of how to get things going. You don't have to have any coding knowledge or anything like that. Having a website, I just felt like made me seem a lot more credible. Having something to be able to send to your clients, like book here, or if they're asking about your prices, my prices are here, sending them a link to a website just seems a lot more professional and a lot more credible. I found that that helped me a lot when I was starting out, as opposed to just sending a text like, oh, my prices are this, this, and this, or my sets are this, this, and this. You'd be like, here's a link to my website. And it just helps you feel and look more professional when you're starting out, or even when you've been in your career for years. Having that website is super key. Like I said, I used GoDaddy. I know there's plenty of other options, Squarespace. If you're looking to sell products in your store, you can also go through Shopify. There's tons of easy websites for building your own website without actually having to have a ton of knowledge on doing so. If I can do it, you can do it.